right now?
We're baking a cake for Daddy's birthday.
Anyone remember how old Daddy's gonna be?
33.
33. And why are we trapped at home?
Because there's a coronavirus.
So we're gonna make a cake from scratch for the very first time in Mom's life.
Yeah, this is the very first time in my life.
Do you guys think it's gonna come out good?
Yeah.
All right, let's.
I don't want it to be a puddle. Like when you touch it, it bounces and it's a puddle.
Well, we've watched a lot of cooking shows, so I think we can do it. We'll check
when
back
it bounces,
in.
it's a puddle. I nailed it, remember?
Yeah, we gotta make sure it's cooked all the way through. We can do it. All right, I'll check back in later.
Like when you touch it, it's all like slobber.
So we have to make sure we cook it long enough, right? Just listening to my story. How did Mom do separating the egg yolks?
Using the shell.
Did I do a good job?
Yeah, she used the shells to put the egg white in. And then she put the egg white in the bowl.
We
And
put
then
only the
she
yolk
put the
in there.
The yolk back
Do
in
you
the
remember
batter.
who I told you taught me how to do that?
Uncle Charles.
Yeah,
Charles.
because he used to help us make what? Do you remember what I said?
Cakes. Beets.
Yeah, Grandma Jeannie's birthday cake.
Well, that's an ocean.
One.
Good.
So can someone explain to me what we're doing right now?
I'm baking.
What are you mixing up there?
He's mixing flour in the egg yolks batter with the regular batter we usually had with the flour and the buttermilk.
Oh, good. So we're alternating buttermilk and flour.
Mhm.
This is quite fancy. Do you think our cake will be good?
Yeah, I hope so.
Me too.
Yeah, because Dolly say, well, it will taste like toots.
I think Daddy will love it no matter what.
Yeah.
All right, Sherry Boys Bakers, what are you doing now?
Frosting the cake.
Can you give us some tips on how to frost a cake?
So you dip some frosting on the knife, and then you do this.
Nice. Joe, any tips?
So you dip frosting on the knife, and you spread it out on the cake like a piece of bread with peanut butter on it.
Excellent. What sort of frosting are you using?
Vanilla.
Delicious. What are you doing now, Chef Colin?
Laying the frosting.
Be gentle.
Yum, yum.
Doing.
We are decorating Daddy's cake.
What are you using?
Chocolate chips.
What are you writing with them?
Dad.
Awesome. Put one on the cake, eat one. Put one on the cake, eat one.
Good ratio.
Do you have any tips for the viewers at home for what they should do when they make birthday cakes?
One tip is to always grease the pan. And when you bake the cake, and when you make frosting, you need, what is it called?
Powdered sugar.
Yeah, powdered sugar.
Colin, any tips for the audience?
No. So that's all for this week's whole episode.
See you next week.
Bye.
Sherry Brothers Cooking Show.
There's one every week.